Now be very careful with this one, okay? We want to make sure that we turn tight, and it's very important that we turn from left lane to left lane, okay? Why? We have oncoming traffic that way. So those vehicles, they have no other option but to make a right turn, okay? Because this is a one-way, and they do not enter sign here. So that Jeep, all those cars are going to be making right turns from right lane to right lane. We're going to make our left turn from left lane to left lane. Yeah. Go ahead. Turn, turn, turn. And release. Good. Alright, that Jeep, look at that, from New York. He turned way too wide. So good job you went slow, alright? He turned way too wide.